with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, you're careful.
Uncle Murphy talk to the people. We are dead and wake.
Sorry, morning time, long time we don't see each other and talk to each other, but so you know, we have strength and health, you know. So
Yeah.
none of that before the right time.
So mind them to know where you're there, you know.
I said here as usual, you know.
Yes.
So big up on yourself and stay strong.
I go on over this, so.
Yeah, as you can see, we have the kettle boil up with some fever grass.
Yeah, fever. We can't come as a go
Yes.
fever grass we are drink.
Fever grass, yeah.
Yeah, and we are going to line up some tin mackerel
We
and
line up something.
some tin mackerel and white rice. And we are going to show them what a little peak we are going with shoe.
Alright.
Dad and shoe down a shoe house are going with that thing. So St. Mary with there. Been a little while, Uncle Murphy. Well, you guys came.
Yes.
You guys came a few weeks.
Well,
Quite a few times you and Dad come and we not turn
Yes,
on. And
but
me
we
they
never
come
carry.
too. And we not turn on no camera.
No.
Because we are trying to push through shoe, you know?
Yes.
And
yes.
so on. So we come with them, but I do no big cooking and, you know?
They just come and just do what we have to do.
And just cut again.
Cut
And so
again.
been a little while, but we're there.
We are still here.
Yeah,
Still
man.
here.
All
Pick up
right.
on yourself every
Yeah.
time.
Now, next clip, Parry. Alright, now Parry, so put on a little rice, not a rice cooker. Yep. And I let that Uncle Murphy gonna make him little tea. And it's for me cup here. Put little last in for me. Hey, you know, say milk can go in a bush tea, yeah? You know, because sometimes you drink like the mint tea and something and it kind of burn your stomach when you drink it too much. So I just put a little Lasco in there for kind of tone it down. Tone it down a bit. Eh? So, Uncle Murphy they bought the place there. I will film tea with a piece of bull and you know where Uncle Murphy there. Uncle Murphy they bought the place. So, open up back door. Out that door. And all of that. Yep. Down the Uncle Murphy!
Yes, Parry.
Yeah.
Have a cup of tea and some
A bowl.
you know?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. So, down the gully. You know, nice and everything are going up. The man has lined up them power sign in the background. So, show them about the place there and Dad them down a bottom. So, now the next clip. And the next clip. So, Paris, we have to cook up the season. Wow. So, you see that? Season up. Cook up. There is some mackerel. Rice is ready right on over here. Yep. And it's a pretty day. So, I'm going to put on the cover now. Uncle Murphy, we are opening up the mackerel. You open up the mackerel them, yeah. Yeah, I'll make one little space, that's all we can do. It's a pretty day, you see that? It's pretty, although then say rain fall up here. Uncle Murphy, you know, carry the bird pepper then.
Oh.
But we are gonna put the bird pepper separately. So, wow, the day pretty though. Beautiful day. You see that? It's a beautiful day around the back here. On my back kitchen door. Yep. Beautiful day. Pretty day. So not along. And as it may come up here, so the rain fall. But it's good, it's nice, it's all good. And so on. Pretty beautiful. Yeah, Paris, it's beautiful here. I'm at the brown the back here. And so on. It's a beautiful day. Been a long while as me telling you. Yeah. But you know what happened? It's not a lot though. I've gone through a lot and I've been going through a lot. But look here. I'm telling you something, I'm a soldier, I'm a fighter, I'm not easily defeated. I'm giving thanks. I'm not easily defeated. I've been fighting all my life. But better yet, God has been fighting for me all my life. Yeah, tell you that. So Debbie a soldier. I'm not easily defeated. But I've been going through a lot lately. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put my house is on pause right now. We have put through Boshue. Yeah, so I'm gonna show now a little sneak peek in a wish party. I'm almost there still. I'm almost there, but you notice when I see my post after and this and that, but been going through a mighty lot. But as I said, I'm a soldier. I'm not easily defeated. Because God is my refuge. Me, God has my refuge. I'll catch you in the next clip. Murphy, I pick bird pepper. Bird pepper for going our mackerel. Yep. Blessed bird pepper tree in a Murph.
Tell you.
Yeah, man. It has sent up off of that part there. It's such a blessed bird pepper. I think me and this bird pepper tree bless alike. Yeah, so we have White House banana here. Them White House banana here always a jump out. See there? When we say jump out power, we mean say the tree. See it's still on the tree. You see it? But them always come down. And so we have them here. Them kind of soft. But then or something that eat it. Them always. Show me not come here a long time. Yeah. So there you see it? Yeah. So everything is good. Uncle Murphy. Seasoning look good in a pot there, boy. Yes. What you say? Yeah.
Seasoning look good.
Seasoning look good. Put him in, Murph. Put him in. He must he not look bad, Murph. How long you low, Murph? Wow. Nice. Mackerel. Hey, Murphy, you not look bad, you know?
Yes, sir.
No look bad. Drop in there, that one, the Murph.
That what you put in there?
Yeah. Belly stay bad there. I eat the whole rice, but me I put it. I say, man, down there painting, you know. Hey, Terence, I say, Debbie, when you see me paint, make sure you cook food, you know. Because it's when me paint me hungry. Must you run out front room? Yeah, we have some black pepper here. You see it, Murphy? Wow. This is a beauty. This is it's an absolute beauty. Really, I'm put look up in in there.
Chunky mackerel.
Yes. Nice. Yeah, I'm really surprised by the brand. A long time I don't use it. Yeah. Looking really nice, Murphy, I'm not lie. But when I forgot to cook?
Yeah.
A long time we
still have a touch one.
Yeah,
Still
man.
have a touch.
Yeah, man. Really look good.
What I say?
Carry on a comment. Comment. Yeah. I add video for last call. Last call, remember, say we run a bush mouth here. When we just do an ads phone now. Right, Murph?
Right,
Yeah.
last call.
We just do an ads phone now. Nice. Yeah. Rolling, rolling. Sure. Rolling away with the roller, and this is just the primer. Our color paint, these are kind of peachish. I do what color paint again? I don't know what color paint again. But sure, you look like you're not so good at the painting. Yeah, that me realize. That I'm not so funny painting. Yeah. Now take off the plastic off the door till even when the little porch put on. Here, because plastic we kind of protect the door.
Door and the window.
Yeah, the door and the window then. Till everything done.
Hello everybody, Daddy's here, behind the camera as usual.
Hey, Daddy na paint up clothes. Donna Boshue a paint up. A train man now, no. Right now we're gonna white rice. A video, we are recording. Uncle Murphy? We are recording. Careful what you're talking. You have a way to tell me say when you something there, when you what you say, when you paint you're hungry. Comment for you and tell the parents and Debbie when people are paint they're hungry. You don't know about nobody else. This look nice, don't?
Yeah.
Pretty. Not true? Really pretty. So look at me, I'll bring this in at the middle and put the mackerel on top of it. Royce, right, Uncle Murphy?
Right.
Me say the sitting pretty. I never see mackerel pretty, so trust me.
So eat good like it's you know.
Well, me fix it up, you know. vinegar and then because something I will cook up the something, so we do the usual. So I guess yeah, when I people you like the whole part gravy on the rice, eh?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Wow. Look at this. Isn't this a beauty? It is a beauty. Yeah, so Parry me I go finish this up for Shu and for Uncle Murphy and mine, yeah. Ex-Cliff. Yeah. You're good?
Yes,
Yeah.
Paris.
Uncle
Easier.
Murphy.
I'll try so
Uncle
we can
Murphy
devour
red
this.
pepper for me, yeah.
Just not to both.
Yeah.
You're one.
Yeah, me had this sugar like butter me. You know, me not eat no more for the white rice. Me do want to cook boil 2 banana. But me not have the time. Hey, I mix lemonade. Me didn't feed so much of the rice. I mean, yeah. I never woman like the gravy, you know, but me still I go with it. I don't really want no whole heap of them. The something there. Yeah. You know, me I eat different these days. So, Uncle Murphy, they rinse up the red pepper them.
No, where's all in there?
Why? He drop in there already, Papa. Them pretty in there?
They're not
Yeah. Yeah.